Hi guys, and welcome to my Facebook group, Recipe for Success. My name is Paul Duncan, and why did I set up with this group? Well, for one main reason. Before I started my coaching and marketing company some years ago, I was a professional chef that worked locally and on a global scale. And what I learned early on in my career was that I didn't need to know how to cook everything. But what I did need to know was to where to source the right ingredients, the right method, and then when I delivered that food to my customers, my clients, I couldn't fail. So taking that concept into the business world and then on into my coaching and marketing company, I've consistently searched for new recipes. I've refined those ingredients and then developed a method to follow that has success in online marketing, offline marketing, lead generation, cash flow management, business expansion, just to name a few. So as a business owner and entrepreneur, the key is that you do not need to know everything. But what you do need to know is where to source the right ingredients and the right method and then deliver that out to your target market. And I can guarantee that you will not fail. So inside this group, you'll learn the secrets to what I call the recipe for success. And I'm a firm believer that business should be fun. So this group is about enjoying the journey, tasting the success that business ownership can offer. And I'm really looking forward to your input, your feedback, and sharing your journey with the rest of people on this group. Now, before I go, I'm in the process of producing my next book, which is The Edge, the cookbook, the recipe for success around business and marketing. So look out for that on this group. But looking forward to catching up. As always, if you want to reach out, feel free to personal message me or email me and we'll be able to catch up. Take care and have a profitable day.